Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to log out from your account in eFootball. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you tap on eFootball apps. You can tap on extras icon. Next, tap on support. After that, tap on link data. Tap on OK icon. You can find here your link data. Okay, now go back your home screen. Now go to your phone setting. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. You can find your apps. You can search here eFootball. Tap on this. Go down. You can see here storage. Tap on this. You can see that two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear data and you can tap on delete. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.